In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close all open tabs in Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser. If we tap right here at that two squares icon, we can check that now I got several tabs opened here. If we would like to close just one tab, we can tap right here at that X. And also we can swipe to the left on the tab we would like to close, just like that. However, if you would like to close all the tabs at once, you can easily do so by long pressing at that icon. So I'm just gonna long press on it and then select close all tabs. Then it will ask us to confirm the closing. We can just tap right here to close all the open tabs at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.